4C question 6, we're given this diagram, two straight roads. We can see A is traveling along in this direction here. So we're going to let A get to the junction. And we also have tan of theta is 3 over 4. So let's look at my sine and cos of theta to get the velocity of A. Tan is 3 over 4, which leaves 5. So sine theta is equal to 3 over 5. Cos theta is equal to 4 over 5. A again, it's traveling down this way in a negative direction. So we're looking at negative. It's going at 10 meters a second. So the velocity of A is equal to minus 10 cos theta in the I direction, minus 10 sine theta in the J direction, which is equal to minus 10 by 4 over 5 in the I direction, minus 10 by 3 over 5 in the J direction, which is minus 8I minus 6J. That's my velocity of A. The velocity of B is equal to 20, so minus 20 in the, not the J, in the I direction, minus 20 in the I direction. A is going to be at the junction, so we get the velocity of A relative to B. And we might actually read the question. Velocity of A relative to B is the velocity of A minus the velocity of B. We know this is going to set up whatever they're going to ask us, so we're going to get minus 8I minus 20I, so we're going to get 20 minus 8, which is 12I. We're going to have minus 6 in the J direction. So we just do a little sketch now of the diagram. Well, before we sketch the diagram, A is going to get to the junction. It's traveling at 10, it's 100 meters, so that's 10 seconds. B is traveling at 20. 20 by 10 is 200 meters, so B is actually going to be, here. It's going to be 100 meters past the junction, and A is going to be at the junction, and the velocity of A relative to B is negative, positive, negative, so it's going down in this direction. We're going to be looking at this component back here to get this shortest distance D here. We have theta. We can say that the sine of theta is equal to distance opposite over hypotenuse. So 100 sine theta is equal to my distance. So down here, the tan of theta is equal to 6 over 12, which is 1 over 2. So we can set up our little triangle. Theta, opposite, adjacent, so it's leaving me with a root 5. So sine theta, 1 over the square root of 5. So 100 times 1 over root 5 is that shortest distance. That's going to give me 44.7. Go to 2 decimals, 44.72 meters. That's all they ask in this question.